Hi friends, and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to take you along with me as I crochet an autumn cardigan. Finally the air is a bit chilly, so I'm taking the opportunity to create some fall vibes. It is my favorite season after all, so we're going to light a candle, prepare a hot beverage and get your yarn and the hook, and we start crochet. So for this video, I'm going to be crocheting a patchwork cardigan, and the pattern is by Hayhay Crochet, and it is the Crochet Cozy Granny Square cardigan. It gives me so much autumnal vibe, so I want to create one for myself, and I have bought some yarn. These are the colors that I have for this cardigan. I think they're perfect for autumn. If you've seen recent yarn hauls, you might realize that I love ice yarns, and these are in fact all bought from there, and they are the Savor acrylic yarns, and so far they feel very soft, so I'm looking forward to wearing this during the autumn season. I hope you have your crochet project ready in order to crochet with me as I go along and show you the progress on this autumn cardigan. So let's begin working on those squares. So the panel calls for 27 squares, and I have 6 colors. So I need to create about 4 squares of each, and maybe 2 or 3 colors will have 5 squares. So let me get started on my first granny square, and we'll get measuring to check out our gauge. That was easy, finding the middle yarn. I'm going to start off with my burgundy and create my first square. And I know in the previous video I said that this is going to be my travel body, which actually it is. I won't be able to finish this in a day for sure. So it will be traveling with me until I finish it. Also, if you have seen my last video, which is a crochet and knitting plans for the next few months, I will link it up here. I always get this wrong, so I think it's up here. Anyway, I said that I will be making an effort Where is the body? This is the body. That's the body. So let's see how long it will take me to finish a square, and that way I will have an idea how long this project will take me. First panel is done, and now off to create around 26 more squares of different colors. But it is very quick to crochet. It only took me maybe about 15 minutes, and I did it mindlessly, so I wasn't trying to be fast or anything. So mindlessly crocheting a basic granny square of this size, which is equal to the gauge of 6 inches square. It's fairly quick. I should have an autumnal cardigan by this weekend. I did change one thing from the pattern, and that is that after each round I simply slip stitch until I reach my corner, where on the pattern it says to chain 3 and turn your work, so you will be working at the back, and I prefer to work it this way. This way I am always working in the front, and that is what's going to be showing. Also, like this, I can hide my yarn and as I go along. I'm on my second color, which is the mustard. I have just finished working my first 5 burgundy squares. I have my son right next to me. He's currently playing Minecraft and he's obsessed.
Some water.
It is the next day, and today I should have a little bit more time to work on this project while I continue watching some movies. I would like to watch Twilight. It's that time of the year where I would love to really watch Twilight. I don't know if you're a fan of Twilight, but those were the actual books that I actually read from start to finish, and I loved it. I am a fan. So now I'm going to continue working on this autumn cardigan. Let me show you first where I'm at. So far I have 5 squares of burgundy and 3 of the mustard, and I'm currently working on the 4th one. And to keep me company here today, I have Luna all cuddled up next to me. In her daisy granny square dress that I have recently also shared with you guys here on YouTube. Okay, let's continue crocheting. The patches for the sleeves are done, and now we're off for a walk because we need a break. I've been crocheting for a bit of time now. I will see you later to join these squares together. The last part, I just have to sew together the end here, the side, and then work on the ribbing on the edges and place my buttons. So now we're closer. And then obviously I need to weave in all these ends. I have gone through a little bit of the ends. I've weaved them in, and some I just put the knot and cut the yarn. It won't show, so doesn't matter. Anyway, I will now start on the ribbing, and I'm just excited to finish it. Let's just turn it around and start the ribbing section. It is done! I'm so happy about it. and how it turned out. I just need to sew on the buttons, but other than that, it's ready and I love it. It's all done! Buttons in place, it's ready! Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys!